Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kübra Çiçek Recipes. Today we are making the famous Turkish cold baklava recipe. It's milky, chocolatey and incredibly light. Let's get started. Look at these perfect layers. You can find the full ingredient list in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. See you next time!